If you've ever heard the phrase AI is changing everything and thought, okay, but what does that mean for my actual life? This video is for you because AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make your life easier. And today I'm breaking down what AI actually is, how it works, and how real women and moms and just people are using it to save time, get organized, and yes, even look and feel better. Let's make this simple. AI is just a tool that learns patterns. It takes information, it analyzes it, and it gives you a useful output. You don't need to be techie. You don't need to understand coding. If you can type in a question, you can use AI. Here's the part most people don't realize. AI can help in almost every area of your life. It can write emails, organize your week, summarize those long documents, help you brainstorm ideas, rewrite something in a nicer tone, or help you make decisions faster. You can ask it, what makeup shades match my undertone? Create a 5-day meal plan for my family of 4 under $150. Hopefully that's possible. You can literally upload photos and ask it to do things. This part, I think, really surprises people. AI isn't just for business or those techie bros. It can support your life, your routines, your confidence, and your mental load. Let's go over a few platforms you'll hear about so you know which ones do what. The most popular one is probably Chat GPT. This is your everyday cognitive assistant. Writing, planning, brainstorming, learning. Chat GPT is usually the place to start. Claude is the second one. If you want super clear explanations, some deeper reasoning, thoughtful writing, Claude is fantastic. It's great for professional tasks, but also super helpful for personal ones. The third one I'm talking about is Perplexity. Think of it like AI mixed with Google. You ask a question and it pulls real cited sources for you. Perfect for research, learning, and fact checking. Gemini is another great one that's really based in Google. So if you are a Google person to the core, definitely want to check out Gemini. There's also some other image-based AI tools that I'll talk about on my channel. And this is really if you want to help visualize something like your nails, your outfit, your hairstyle, some decor around your house, room updates, image generators like Midjourney or Dolly can show you exactly what you want before you buy or try anything. Here's the easiest way to begin. Start with one task you want AI to take off of your busy plate as a woman, as a mom, as a person living on planet Earth right now. We all know we're trying to do everything. So this could be plan your meals, reword this email, organize your week, explain things in simpler terms to children, spouses, partners, or create a morning routine that you'll actually be able to stick to. Pick one area of your life that feels heavy or time consuming and let AI help you with it. Once you see the value, it becomes second nature. This channel is here to help you use AI in a way that feels simple, approachable, and actually useful, not overwhelming. Whether you're using it to save time, make decisions easier, level up your beauty routine, or get more done in less time, AI can genuinely make your life better. If you're ready to learn how to use AI confidently and creatively, you're in the right place. Tell me in the comments what you want me to teach you next.